Port strike panic. Should you rush to buy toilet paper? Well, that's the question everyone's asking right now. And by the end of this video, I'm going to surprise you. This situation is the perfect example of facts versus fear. Hey, we'll break down what's really happening, how it could affect you. And here's the kicker. Why panic buying toilet paper might actually create the very problem you're afraid of. Hey, stick around because what you learn today will change how you think about all of this. Now, do you remember the toilet paper madness of 2020? People scrambling, hoarding rolls like they were the key to survival. It's tempting to think we're heading there again with these port strikes, but here's the real question. Is this fear justified, or are we reacting to something that's not really a threat? Hey, let's see if the facts back the fear. So here's why this matters. You've probably heard about the ongoing port strikes, and if you're like most people, you're worried that essential goods like toilet paper might vanish from the shelves. That fear feels real, but here's the fact you probably don't know. Most of the toilet paper we use in the United States is made domestically. That's a game changer. Unlike electronics or clothing, which rely on imports, TP doesn't rely on as much international shipping. I mean, imagine this. You walk into your local store and the toilet paper aisle is completely empty. Your stomach drops. Flashback to 2020. But hold on. Before we panic, let's talk numbers. Over 90% of the toilet paper is made in the U.S. It's locally produced by companies like Georgia-Pacific and Kimberly-Clark. It's manufactured here, it's distributed here, and it's designed to meet domestic demand. Yet some materials like wood pulp are imported, but the actual product is made and stockpiled right here in the United States. Because this is where things get interesting. Even with the port strike, the toilet paper supply is far more insulated than most people think. And here's the part that might surprise you. The real danger isn't the strike itself, it's panic. If we start panic buying, we create the problem we're trying to avoid. Shelves go empty, not because of the strike, but because fear drives us to grab more than we need. So should you rush out to stockpile? Well, the facts say no. Based on what we know, manufacturers have prepared for situations like this, unless people start hoarding. And there's no need to worry about that. It's not the supply chain that's the problem. It's fear driving us to overreact. And now let's break it down. What's the bottom line? It's smart to be prepared, but the surprising truth is that because toilet paper is domestically produced and manufacturers have taken steps to stock up, there's no need to clear out the shelves. We're in a much better place than we were in 2020. But this is about more than just toilet paper. This is about how fear can take over and push us to act irrationally. It's fear that causes the rush, and it's fear that leads to empty shelves, not necessarily the situation itself. So before you run out to buy more than you need, remember the facts show us the U.S. toilet paper industry is strong, and unless we let fear drive our actions, there won't be a shortage. As always, I've included a reference guide in the video description so you can check out all the facts for yourself. If you like this video, watch this one and continue your learning journey. And until next time, see ya!